My name is Ana Toro and today I want to share with you a pancake recipe that is healthy, fun, and delicious. Look out!
You will need 3/4 of a cup of water, 1 cup of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and an egg. First, we will include all our dry ingredients like the oat flour, the cinnamon powder, and the baking powder. We mix them all together. Then we continue with our wet ingredients. First, we pour our egg, the coconut oil, and our honey. We start mixing everything together, preparing our butter to start incorporating the water. The idea is to include water little by little, continue mixing and adding a little bit more if you like your pancakes to be more liquid or puffier. You can mix all these ingredients by hand, but if you like a more even batter, you can also put this in the blender for a few seconds. Now it's time to pour your butter on a hot pan. Making sure that you're making round and beautiful pancakes. Wait for a few seconds until you start seeing bubbles on the top. There you'll know that it's time to flip it. This is the final result. Out of this recipe, you can obtain 4 medium-sized pancakes that you can serve with honey or marmalade or your favorite fruit. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know how your pancakes go.
Tres, dos. Hace rato comenzamos.
My name is Ana Toro and today I want to share with you. Okay, otra vez.